Marciano trying to increase the power here para sa Lady Patrollers. Eulalia on the quick. Again, Soraya and Eulalia on the same page. 3 straight points, yeah.
Si Eulalia mag-a-approach, si Soraya bibigyan niya yung bola.
If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. That's 3 straight points ngayon.
Yes.
Concepcion. Nice block again by Soraya. Marciano. Tabaquero. Soraya. Angge. Misses. So that's something that Angge Tabaquero will have to work on, yung kanyang percentage naman sa kanyang atake.
Of course, hindi lang dapat puro lakas. Like Marciano, minsan yung mga drop ball nakaka-point din.
Got to win. Still perfect on her serve. Soraya ngayon. Quick set again to Eulalio. At si Dave hindi ma-spelling kung paano pipigilan yun.
Perfect set coming from Soraya Noel. Wala na ibang gagawin si Eulalia kundi tatapikin na lang niya at bababa na yung bola.
Dapat nga pinapanood na itong si Soraya nito, si May Makatunod, saka si Arian Argarin ko nandito sila.
Take notes.
On how she is giving these quick sets, and that's another ace coming from Welet Eulalio. 6 na lang po ang abante ng PNP. Pero ito nga si Welet Eulalio galing sa isang ace kanina, rotation violation against PNP. Aminado si Coach Bob.
Do they need the error?
Yan ang problema ron eh. Yung mga mental lapse yung mga tawag doon eh. Tadeo. Concepcion. Molina. Off the block. Eulalio keeps it alive. Naitawid pa rin ni Soraya. Nagharap na overreaching si Coach Bob. Benito now on the back set to Angge Tabaquero. Nice dig there by Tadeo. Concepcion across. Marciano dropping it in again.
Ganda kasi na ang pag-approach niya, Noel eh. Hindi halatang ito-dropper is a soft spike lang yung bola.
Pati na yung mukha siyang down the line din eh.
Yes.
Tabaquero cross court will miss it again. Kung anong kinaganda ng set ni Soraya para sa middle attacker na si Eulalio or si Pao Soriano, whoever's in front, yun naman ang hindi sila nagkakaintindihan sa open.
Yes.
Ni Angge.
And palapit ng palapit itong PNP, Noel.
Oo nga.
Sa golden 25.
Oh, but Lucette Dawis twisting her body to get that shot down. 19-13. Concepcion now. Off the block, Sang Muang, and that time Janela gets to it. Eto ngayon si Benito, off the block din. Concepcion, quick set, papunta rito kay Molina. Grabe ang hinabol doon. At binuhay pa rin ni Joy Benito. Concepcion, one more time around. Sang Muang off the block, hindi naabot ni Jack yun. Ang layo na nun.
Sabi niya, kung tumangkad lang ako, kaya ko yun.
Well, one of the assets nga nito si Janela, yung kanyang liit eh.
Yes.
Because ang bilis niya eh. Pero
good
that time, kailangan niya ng mahabang galamay. She did not have it. Dave. Soraya. And Dave keeps it alive. Marciano galing sa likod. Soraya, running attack. Lucette Dawis. Single block coming from Sang Muang. 8 na naman ang abante rito ng PNP.
Still, Cagayan isn't making any substitutions. Noel, papanindigan nila itong lineup na to.
Yep, no Tipachot in the lineup.
No Soriano in the lineup.
That's right. Here's Benito. Oh, again a great block. An offensive block that time from Molina. Tingnan natin ulit ito. Timing talaga rito. Molina. Outstretched arms. Dawis kinaliwa. Boy pa rin. Here is Sang Muang. Nice block that time from Soraya. Concepcion. Sang Muang again. Dug up this time by Tabaquero. Soraya. Hahabulin niya ni Dave. Sang Muang. Janela. Soraya. Benito. Yes.
Pa down the line na yun, but still medyo malayo. Mas mahina ang Cagayan Valley pagdating sa down the line hits, Noel. As you can see, PNP, doon talaga diin yung mga palo nila.
Well, Tabaquero is known for multi-areas talaga na kanyang tira. Pero yung cross-court niya has been effective today. Soraya, good serve. Concepcion on the back set now. Francis Molina. Soraya going to Aiza Maizo. Concepcion. Sangmuang. Jonella. Soraya. To the open kay Benito again. Good serve again coming from Soraya. Hindi bibigyan ng free ball ni Molina. And sometimes you have to give up the free ball.
Yes.
Or
Pakawalan mo na.
Yeah. Marciano, sabi, my fault, my fault. Pero yan, 6 na lang yan, ha?
A lot can happen. Ang layo pa ng 22.
Right. They just need one side out dito. Itong kupunan ng... That's not a side out. That's an ace. Kailangan lang ng PNP ng isang side out dito. Babalik na naman ang buwelo sa kanila. Sorry for the ancient reference. Hanggang ngayon, tinatawag pa rin ng mga coaches sa side out yan, di ba?
Side out pa rin naman. Kahit yung mga fans na nagbubusa, side out!
Oh, yun, side out.
What the coincidence?
Ikaw, you are jinxing them. Ha? Nagdilang ang hill ka para sa PNP. Titignan natin ngayon ito si Francis Molina. Kung yun nga yung kinakailangan nila, side out na yun. Nice serve. Jonella gets to it. Aisha Maisok. Nakalimutan din natuwin na kaliwete nga pala si Aisha.
Oo nga pala. Sabi nila. Well, it's too late na.
Well, not too late yet para sa Cagayan Valley. 5 pa rin inahabol nila. Lucette Dawis. Marciano. Concepcion. Sangmuang out of nowhere. And it's still kept alive by Tabaquero. Concepcion. Babalik ulit kay Sangmuang. 2 na nakabang. Cross court is good.
When you need her, Noel, Sangmuang is there.
Well, Sangmuang is able to bring them to set point. 6 na set points. Pinanindigan ni Coach Ness yung hindi niya ipapasok ito si Kani Katipachot, ha? Will we see her in the 5th set? If we do get to a 5th set right now. Maiso. Dave. Again, a great dive by Christine Dave. Jonella. Joy Benito. At nabawi ng Cagayan Valley ang 1 puntos. Oh, Michelle Datuin almost got the set point to drop. Here's Dave. Concepcion. They go to Marciano. Another drop ball. Maiso. 4 na lang ito. Pero 4 na perfect. Ang kailangan dito ng Cagayan Valley para makuha itong 4th set and the match, 6 na puntos.
Pressure on Benito, giving the service.
Right. PNP only needs 1 point to send this to a 5th set. Sangmuang, Concepcion, Marciano, lusot na. And for the first time since August 25 or since August 27, we are having a 5-set match dito po sa Shakey's V-League. PNP and Cagayan Valley are tied up 25-20 at the end of the 4th. Shakey's shaking play. Ayan na po, Janine Marciano nakadali ng puntos para sa PNP.
Ito ang Shakey's V-League. Tira na.